Hey everyone, let's talk about Sir Isaac Newton, a super smart physicist and mathematician. He's one of the most important scientists ever. Newton's discoveries totally changed how we understand the universe. His work is the basis of modern physics and astronomy. Newton did so many amazing things. He figured out the laws of motion, which explain how things move. He also discovered the law of gravity, which explains why planets stay in orbit. Newton's work is still super important today. We use his theories to design everything from cars to spaceships. Isaac Newton was born in 1643 in Woolsthorpe, England. He had a tough childhood, but he always loved learning. Newton went to Trinity College in Cambridge, where he was a star student. At Cambridge, Newton learned from the best scientists and mathematicians. He was especially inspired by Galileo and Kepler. Newton was super curious and studied really hard, which helped him make amazing discoveries. He would spend hours doing experiments and coming up with theories. One of Newton's biggest achievements was his three laws of motion. These laws explain how an object and the forces acting upon it relate to each other. They show us how objects move, whether they're standing still or moving around. His law of gravity was also a huge discovery. It says that everything in the universe pulls on everything else. The bigger the objects, the stronger the pull. These laws changed everything about how we see space. They explained why planets go around the sun in oval paths. They also helped scientists predict where things in space would go. Section 4. The power of math and light. Newton wasn't just a physics genius, he was amazing at math too. He came up with calculus, which is a super useful tool for studying how things change and move. Calculus is used in lots of areas like engineering, economics, and computers. Newton also made big discoveries about light. He showed that white light is actually made of all the colors of the rainbow. He also invented a new kind of telescope that uses mirrors instead of lenses to see things in space more clearly. His work with light changed how we understand color and how we see the universe. Section 5. Newton's amazing legacy. Sir Isaac Newton changed science and how we think in huge ways. His theories and discoveries are the foundation of modern physics, astronomy, and math. Scientists and thinkers are still inspired by his work today. Newton's legacy is about more than just science, and he showed us how important it is to observe, experiment, and use math. He was a true genius, and his work has shaped our world in so many ways.